Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thank you so much for joining me. So I'm coming on to do a flip through today, but a flip through of something a little bit different because these are pocket letters. You might have heard of the concept of a pocket letter before. Essentially, it's these plastic wallets and then you fill each of the individual pockets with something like decorative, you make it look all nice and pretty, and then stuffed in the back you add all little extras that someone can use in their craft projects, in their journaling, and just sort of generally to give them a little bit of a happy mail. So these are the ones that I've made using my new Inspirational Pocket Letters Kit, and I thought you might like to see flip throughs of these. So I'm going to start with this sort of garden themed one because it was the one that I made first of all. So this is how we're looking from the front. We've got, I've really tried to make it cohesive over the front. Like I really wanted these to be sort of like decorative and collagey, and there's just so much to look at, but it all goes together in a cohesive sort of way. That's how I've designed mine. So this is how this one is looking on the front there, and this is how it looks on the back. I haven't decorated the backs. I wanted the backs to be left for either the person that they're being sent to decorate, or for the focus to be on the stuff that I've put into the pockets. Now I haven't completely filled these because I've done something a little bit different, but essentially I've got like a packet of tea, I've got some wax seals, this is some handmade paper that I've made, and then I've also just popped in a few fussy cuts that they can use in their project, and this is a cluster which they can either use to decorate something, or they can take all of the little individual pieces. They're just stapled together, one little staple. So if they wanted to, they could take each individual piece and use those in their projects. And of course, each of these in the pockets are journal cards. So I'll just show you. You basically slip these out, and these are for writing on. So with this one, I decided to wrap some of the doily that I've used on the front around the back. I like how that looks. It's very decorative. It's not the most practical thing because the doily is fragile, so I probably wouldn't do that again, but this is essentially how I've decorated this one with the bunny and the little stamps and a quote. I've also used some Tim Holtz stamps here, there and everywhere. And then a little bit of a different thing that I've done is I've actually put into the pockets these inspirational quote posters, if you want to call them that. There's 4 different ones in each of these. So this one says, anything you can imagine, you can create. Because my idea for these pocket letters is I wanted it to be somewhere where someone can go if they need a little bit of inspiration for their projects. They can come on, they can look at something pretty, they can do a bit of journaling, they can read an inspirational quote, they can use some bits and pieces in their projects, and of course they can add more to this if they want to. That was sort of my thoughts behind the whole kit, the whole theme of this one. So I'm going to show you the next journal card, if I can get it out. So here we are. This one, this time, I've got a little bit of a pocket on the front there, or a little tuck spot, and then a Tim Holtz stamp. And then I've got one of the seed packet journal cards, which you can write on. So that is a journal card on a journal card that you can write. And then I've got this quote. A quiet hour spent creating is never wasted time. What will you create today? So again, that is kind of just like a little bit of a prompt to someone to say, hey you, are you doing some creating? And yeah, just a reminder for them to go off and find something to do. Okay, and then the next one, oh, try not to pull out everything, Justine. Okay, so then I've got this journal card, which has another seed packet, and then this time the pocket is this little trowel and garden bench, and then we've got another Tim Holtz stamp in the background there. And then this is the quote to go inside this one. Creativity grows wherever you give your curiosity room to wander. Where will your curiosity lead you today? That one was a little bit of a mouthful. Creativity grows wherever you give your curiosity room to wander. Where will your curiosity lead you today? So again, that is just a reminder to be unique, be yourself, be curious about things, because a lot of the time that's where our creativity can can come from and inspire us and all of that sort of good stuff. Okay, and then in the last one I've got this journal card, which this is a little bit different, where this clock actually moves around. Just for a little bit of fun. And then of course I've used the quote, find your joy, because yeah, it's just supposed to be a little bit of fun. And then I've got more of that doily. And then the final quote to end on is this one, which is, creativity is contagious, pass it on. And that's a quote from Albert Einstein. And I really like the idea of finishing on that one, because it's just a reminder to go off and inspire other people after you've had a look at all of these inspiring goodies. And what I should say about these is I've made them so that I printed on the back so that these quote posters could actually be written on. So the idea is that everything in these pockets can be used for journaling in some way, because of course that is me. I do journaling, I promote journaling, so yeah, everything can be journaled on. I wanted to mention as well as I've put some washi down the sides here, and then I've added some eyelets and then just a little bit of twine. I just thought that finished that off nicely. And I've done the same with this one, just a slightly different washi tape. So this one is much the same in terms of the quotes, and everything inside are the same, but the journal cards are, as you can see, a little bit different. So I'll show you those. So I've got this one, Dream Big, and this one has a fence as a little pocket for just these little pieces, which again, as you guessed it, can be written on. So those just go in there. And this one very much has a like blue and purple kind of theme. And then we've got this one. This is how I imagine it would look if the animals took over the library. This is what happens in my head. So we've got, you know, the owl on top of the books, and we have the little hedgehog going for the cup of coffee, because why not? Those animals are very, very naughty, very cheeky. And then this one, I've got the welly boots and the bunny, and that little bit of blue thistle coming through. And again, I've done some Tim Holtz stamps. And then we have another pocket one. So this one is sort of like a side pocket here. And this one says, dream big, dream bigger this time. And we've got a little bit of a paperclip note card and a ticket. Again, as you guessed it, they can be written on as much as you like. And then this is the back of this one. So again, we've got a handmade cluster that I've made. Again, handmade paper and some pieces that they can use in their journaling. And again, some flower fussy cuts, and this time a berry tea bag, because I felt like this one was very much going for the purples, I think. But yeah, essentially those are my little pocket letters. As I said, I have gone with the idea that someone can use these whenever they need just that little bit of inspiration, that little bit of spark. My hope is that something here will allow that to happen, whether it's just looking at them as you know, as pieces, as pictures, as collaged elements, as prettiness, whether it's the quote inside, whether it's the pieces or the goodies inside, whatever it is. I hope that somebody will get inspiration from them. And that's very much how I've designed the Inspirational Pocket Letter Kit. So if you like the look of these and if you want to make your own, then you're more than welcome to check that out. Inside you'll find various elements, inspirational quotes, artworks, patterned papers, all kinds of things to make something very similar to this, with the idea that someone can get inspiration from receiving this in the mail. So I hope that you enjoyed seeing those. I hope you have fun making your own if you decide to give them a go. It was a lot of fun, and it was a different kind of challenge, because you sort of have to feel like, how do each of these things go together, because you're seeing everything next to each other, right? So all of these 4 journal cards are next to each other, which we're not used to being when we look at, you know, journaling in general. Obviously I make a lot of journals and folios and things, but this type of project is very much, how does it all look together? How does it all like coordinate and correspond to each other and become some kind of like theme or coordination or something? But then individually, when you take out one journal card or one piece of it, you then are looking at it from, okay, but it also has to look good on its own as well. And it's a very interesting challenge, I think, that and I had a lot of fun making these. So I hope you've enjoyed seeing them. And yeah, thanks so much for joining me. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.